Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Redcat Racing Everest 10. The crawler includes a 7.2V battery and a 2.4 GHz transmitter system with a range of up to 260 feet for navigation, even on tricky terrains. It also contains a reliable brake and shockproof chassis that allows the components to remain intact once you start racing. The electric rock crawler from Redcat Racing includes complete front and rear multi-link suspension. Our second best RC rock crawler is Traxxas TRX-4. The upgraded micro cables regulator allows this rock crawler to scale rocks and boulders like they are nothing. The RC also includes a 2-speed transmission with a high and low range shifts for 4WD pulling torque. The TRX-4 scale and trail crawler will adapt to any driving style or situation. Additionally, it comes in an accredited and comprehensive Land Rover Defender housing. Besides, it comes with an extremely rigid backbone thanks to the heavy-duty steel frame rails. Number 3 in our list is ERC Car. The rock crawler features a 1/18 scale stimulation graffiti design that gives it a unique appearance. It also includes robust front and rear motors that allow the monster to climb rough terrains swiftly. Besides, the 4WD is stable, while the ample control range is up to 100 mph. ERC monster truck also features solid independent bumpers that protect it from any damage when running on full speed in the street or backyard. Our fourth pick is Redcat Racing Everest GEN7 Pro. This rock crawler is well made and features good articulation thanks to a brushed 550 motor. It also comes with a lot of ascents from aluminum shocks, metal suspension linkage, stock tires, and inner fender wells, among others. The Everest GEN7 rock crawler features a body tilt system that allows you to access the battery quickly. Let's watch more. Last in our list is Axial SCX10 II. The RC is robust thanks to the WB8HD Wilbur front and rear driveshafts feature an upgraded design with a large diameter cross pin and an M4 screw shaft. Besides, it includes a durable steel C-channel chassis frame and an adjustable transmission that keeps the weight of the motor low for a better center of gravity. The contoured skid plate also reduces the hang-ups on terrains. It also comes with a wide array of gearing ratios options for speed runs.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!